This is a handmade amplifier, 200 watt, 100 plus 100, 200 watt. I use this Sony CD player cabinet, and I use the original transformer, original capacitor, and original diode. All component I take from old Sony player set, old CD player, like this. Now I am going to make one STK amplifier using these things. This is a 30 voltage transformer. I am making the DC voltage positive ground and negative. AC to DC. This is the switch. It's the AC switch. Later I will connect AC switch. Now I am going to check the voltage. I plug in. I plug the AC. Now I am going to check the voltage. Ground AC is 43. Sorry, it's disgusting. Okay, now it's okay. 43. This side also. It took in 43 volts. 43, 43, 43, 43 volts. AC is 30, DC makes 43, 43, 43, 43. Look, I plug out, but still now voltage is same. That means the capacitor is good quality one. Look, the AC bulb is light. The capacitor is good. Now I'm going to use this STK STK4211. This is 4211 IC, 100 plus 100 watt output. I will fix here the circuit. Now I am going to connect the wire. This wire for the ground voltage. This wire for the ground voltage, and this red wire for the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage, and this black wire for the negative voltage. This is the negative voltage. This is the ground. I make one sign. Now need to connect the audio output. This is the speaker output. Right side is speaker output. Right side is speaker output. This is the left side is speaker output. Left side is speaker output. Now audio input. This is left audio input. Left side audio input. Left side audio input. Input and ground. This is the right side audio input. Here I am connecting the right side audio input wire. Right audio input. It's one of the best quality STK. Now I am going to fix here the circuit. These two audio input, these two audio output, and these three are voltage. I fixed the circuit. The input. Now I am going to connect the voltage wire. This is the positive voltage. This is the positive voltage. Positive voltage 43 voltage. This is the negative voltage. Negative 43 voltage. This wire for negative voltage. This is the ground voltage. This is ground voltage. This is the ground voltage. This two wire for speaker output ground. This ground will go to speaker output. Two wire for two speaker. This ground voltage should go to speaker output socket. This goes to speaker output socket. This two ground for the speaker output. This is speaker output. Left speaker. This is left speaker. And this is the right speaker. This is right speaker. And this two ground for two speaker output. This ground for the left speaker output. Now this is the audio input. This left speaker and right speaker audio input. This is the output. Now I am going to check the voltage again. 41 voltage. 41 voltage. This is the speaker. I am going to check the speaker. It's make noise. It's working. Wait, I'm showing you it when I touching the input, the speaker making noise. Now my amplifier section is complete. Now I am going to make one preamplifier. This tone I am going to make one preamplifier. I am going to modify this front part. It will look like original. This volume, I will use the volume. This will be power. Okay, I make ready. This is the base tone circuit. To volume. This is the base volume, main volume. Main volume is there is. This is the main volume, and the left side has two volume. Main volume and left side has two base and tone volume. This is the base. This is the tone, and there are block filter. Now this is the audio input. This two is the output. This is audio input. I am going to input here. Later I will use one build card here. But now I am going to check using this wire input. Audio input is this one is audio input. And this is the audio input from main amp. It will go to the audio output to the base tone circuit. Left and right separate. This is the connection for the audio output from the base tone circuit. Here is the ground, ground, left speaker and right speaker. Here I need 12 volts. I am going to use this IC 7812 7812. It's the voltage regulator IC. I am going to use this 41 voltage. It will make 12 voltage. First leg is the input, middle leg is the ground, second leg is the output. This is the audio input, a voltage input, sorry. This is the voltage input. I will use 40 voltage. This IC will make 12 voltage for this base tone circuit. This is the ground, this is the voltage, positive voltage. Now I am going to check. This is audio input. This is the AC switch. Later I will connect here. AC switch, later I will connect, not now. Now I am going to check the audio input. the speaker. Look, it's working. I cannot play the song for the copyright issue. YouTube को वक्त copyright issue. I'm so sorry for that. If you want this circuit diagram, please check the comment box. There are the same circuit diagram. Thank you for watching this video.